is a 48-inch Dayton industrial ceiling fan. I got this at Habitat all the way back in 2015. And the reason why I've never done a video of it is because, actually, let me clear that up. I've done videos of the fan, but the problem is that I've had this thing of forgetting about them, and I never uploaded them. Like, the last time I had this fan hanging was December 30th, 2019. That was the last time I made a video of it. And I probably took it down shortly after. And yep, now it's up again. Because why not? I converted it to ball socket, and yes, that is the lower canopy for it. This fan's actually not. This fan actually isn't labeled Dayton, but these are recognizable as a Dayton. So I'm just gonna call it a Dayton. It's actually labeled Marley Industries. It's somewhere up here. This fan's at the fan shop at my dad's house, and the ceilings are much higher than at the other place, so I have to get up on a ladder. So yeah, there's proof that I'm actually short. Crap. Where's the freaking label? Oh, yep, right there. Camera was not going to focus on it, but there you go. There's the Marley label. God dang it, there we go. Yep, 48-inch fan. This is a newer model, as a matter of fact. Yep. Of course, with it being a metal-bladed fan, it's kind of weird, so when it comes to speeds and all that. But with all being said, here's low speed. Adjusted to wide angle so I can chill right here and you can still see the whole fan. I'm probably not gonna run it for too long because the flag in the background, it'll get caught up in the fan real easy. Yeah, look at that. It's on low speed and it's already doing that. This fan is wobbly, but given the fact that it's an industrial fan, I don't think anyone would care. Yeah, it's really getting sucked up into the fan, which is a big concern. Here's high speed. It's only going to be on for a short amount of time because of the flag. I don't want to damage it because it's a nice looking flag. It's freaking annoying. Back to normal view on my iPhone. So yeah, I just realized that this video is more me rambling about the fan than actually demonstrating it. But what is there to do when you have that stupid flag in the background flailing all the time and could get easily caught in the fan? Now, could I have taken it down? Yes, but am I too lazy to do that? Yes. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it wasn't too much of a waste of your time. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Please subscribe and hit the like button while you're over there. And yeah, peace out, suckers.